Hey guys, Green here, back from the fan today. This is how to make the SOS building. Well, it's not necessarily a building because I mean it's kind of just it's a raft. Yeah, SOS raft. Okay, so with that SOS raft, okay, we'll just build out a little bit to here. This, it's gonna be just, okay, so this is a long-term thing, so beacon, soul lantern, glow item frame, a sign that says O-V-O, a soul campfire, and a warped trapdoor, and close it. And whenever you want to get on, you open it back up. Okay. And that is all. Goodbye.